Carbon monoxide is odorless but deadly. While boating, you can be exposed to carbon monoxide from the boat's exhaust while idling or underway. Here are some ways to stay safe. Use a marine carbon monoxide detector. Don't idle in place for too long and avoid other idling boats. When participating in any towed sport, use a long line and keep individuals away from the transom and swim platform while the engine is running. Learn more at safeboatingcampaign.com.